1994 Mercedes E320 Coupe is in need of some serious attention. Wow, the local car wash has done a number on this Mercedes. Just look at these ugly swirl marks. Most people think it's cheaper going to the local car wash, but they actually do more harm than good. It's the washing and drying process that is critical, especially for black cars. If not done correctly, this is what happens. Those heavy brushes cause a lot of swirl marks and scratches. They use cheap drying towels over and over, without checking to see if any debris is stuck in the towels, which cause scratches as well. You should think twice about going cheap when washing your car. It costs way more to correct the damage they do to your car. Wow, we have our work cut out for us. At DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont, this is what we do best, restoring cars back to a swirl-free shine. Once we're done, this 1994 Mercedes is going to outshine some of the newer cars. Just wait and see. Since he was restoring his Mercedes, he selected the best Ceramic Pro 5-year ceramic coating protection. A lot of prep work must be done prior to applying a ceramic coating. We make sure your car's paint is free of imperfections, as well as ensuring your car's paint is super clean. This process can take 1 to 2 days, and this is prior to applying a ceramic coating. At DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont, we're perfectionists. We make sure each ceramic coating application is flawless. That's why we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Don't be fooled. Not everyone that installs ceramic coatings are certified installers like us at DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. Our work is backed by a peace of mind warranty. Ceramic coatings are designed to protect your vehicle under the most extreme conditions. They act as a sacrificial layer of protection, absorbing damage and blocking the elements so your car's paint doesn't have to. Ceramic coating repels water, blocks harmful UV rays, and enhances shine and depth with brilliant reflection and optical clarity for years. Now let's check out the results. Wow, look at this amazing shine. Look at that paint. Those horrible swirl marks are gone. This rich, crisp, insane shine will truly turn heads. Our hard work has paid off once again. This customer will enjoy this insane, jaw-dropping shine for 5 full years. That's why more people are making the choice to invest in protecting their vehicle with a ceramic coating, and you should too. Listen to the review this customer left us on our Facebook page. Just picked up my 1994 Mercedes-Benz E320 Coupe today. DT Auto Spa has had my car for 5 days. Full 2-step deep detailing and 5-year ceramic coating. The car is black. Paul and Sandra took care of my beloved modern classic. They've restored the paint, and now it pops. The service and attention to my needs were on point. They were both very professional and yet warm and friendly. I do recommend their services. Thanks DT for making my dream car come to life again. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to save $100 off ceramic coatings.